Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will learn how to recall any email that you have sent through the Outlook. So first of all you have to draft an email and send it to the recipient. Once the email is sent, you have to go to the send items and open that email that you had sent. So here we have the email, so double clicking on that and then go to file, and then here we have this recall or resend option. So there are two options. First is to delete the unread copies of the message, and second is to delete unread copies and replace it with the new message. So about the first option, the email will be deleted if the person has not read the email or the recipient has not read the email. And if the person has read the email, then the email cannot be recalled. So that is something which you have to keep in mind. Second, when the email is sent and that recall message has been sent, the recipient would receive a kind of pop-up which would appear informing the person that the sender would like to recall the message with the subject this and that. So once that is done, upon the status of if the person has read the email or not, there will be a failure email that will be sent, or there will be a success email that will be sent to the sender that okay, recall was either failed or recall was successful. So that was about the how to recall the message. And also you have to keep in mind that the recall option is available only for people, so sender and recipient both should use Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Exchange email account in the same organization. In this case, why it didn't work is we are using Gmail account, and since we are using Gmail account, Gmail doesn't support the recall feature. The only thing you can do with the Gmail account is to delay sending the message, that you have to go to settings and set that. But if you're trying to recall that email when you're sending it through Gmail account being used in Outlook, the recall feature won't work because Gmail doesn't support that. So you have to keep in mind that only your Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Exchange email accounts email can be recalled. That too when they are being recalled in the same organization, or they are being sent or received in the same organization. So it is very important to remember that. And you are having two options in case you are using both are using Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Exchange. Then you will be able to even recall the message and replace it with a new message. So that is very important to know. And uh, and at times it is very important to do that. So yeah, hopefully this tutorial will help you in recalling some of your critical emails. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.